This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about storage containers, specifically these Metlux cold food storage containers and lids. The rectangle clear plastic containers are available in several sizes, and we have the full, half, third, quarter, sixth, and ninth sizes here to show you. The full and third sizes are in the 2.5-inch depth, and we have the half, quarter, sixth, and ninth in the 4-inch depth. As you can see, since they're already on some of these containers, there are also rectangle clear plastic lids available. They're sold separately, and we have them on our half, third, quarter, sixth, and ninth size containers, and they're also available for that full size as well. And these containers can easily be used with or without the lids. The lids are just a nice extra bit of cover if you're using them for storage. The containers themselves are available in the 2.5-inch and 4-inch depth that you see here. They're also available in a 6 and 8-inch depth as well. These containers are meant to be used for the storage of cold foods only, and they're excellent for prep work. That clear finish really allows foods to be easily identified, meaning it's going to be great for storing things in your walk-in fridges. The lids have a nice secure fit. They're going to help keep your foods covered, prevent things like leaks and spills, and cross-contamination. These containers make the storage of garnishes, toppings, prepared foods and salads, and bulk ingredients easy. They're made from high-quality plastic for a nice, durable container that's perfect for storing those fresh ingredients. They're suitable for use for the storage of dry goods in your pantry as well. And these are perfect for use in any commercial kitchen.